forecast.
We've got showers and thunderstorms continuing to roll in just off to our west. Hence, we do have that Storm 5 weather alert, and it has been extended through parts of your Sunday. Now, it is not going to storm the entire time. We will have some dry periods, and some of those dry periods are really looking to be during the afternoon, so it will still have that steamy feel associated with it. But today, especially to start off your Friday, showers and thunderstorms are already out there, and they're bringing quite a bit of a punch. Our main concern with this type situation is because we've got several short waves, those little bits of waves moving in throughout our atmosphere, and they're truly staying along the same course. And that, of course, is going to influence the potential for flash flooding across the region. Lots of cloud-to-ground lightning associated with these as well. And then also some gusty winds will be something to monitor within some of these cells. And as we talked about yesterday, our tornadic threat is low. It's just not no. In fact, we did have some spin-up tornadoes overnight that, of course, thankfully did resolve themselves out. Here's a live look for you right now overlooking parts of Nashville, the Cumberland, the Harpeth, the Duck River, all of the above. Everything is really starting to swell quite a bit with all of that rain going down to the lower lying locations. 74 is where we are here in the city with those winds out of the south. Over in Clarksville, I know the picture's not so great, but I want to share the information with you. You've had almost 7/10 of an inch of rain just within the past little bit. Your current temperature coming in at 70. And here's a live look at the Power of 5 radars. Those of you off to the east, most of you didn't even have any rain yesterday, and you're still dry, but that will change as we go throughout the day, and it is going to be quite rambunctious, especially to start our morning. Within the past 15 minutes, we've had 266 thunderstorms and lightning strikes within the vicinity just to our north and off to the west. You'll notice that it is covering up parts of Hopkinsville, all of Christian County, basically, as well as making your way over to Cadiz. We even had some power outages in Cadiz not too long ago. Clarksville, heavy showers and thunderstorms that continues to ride over into parts of Guthrie. It'll be in Russellville shortly, as well as going into Pleasant View as this continues to march its way off to the east. It's not turtle speed, but it's not as fast as a rabbit, that is for sure. So we still are getting heavy downpours and a lot of accumulating rain as this continues to move its way through. Temperatures right now, everybody's coming in those 70s. And as we go throughout the next bit, you're going to notice these showers and thunderstorms continuing to move through. Now, don't get too tied up to the exact time and location, because this model run, all model runs, who am I kidding? They have been out to lunch. I don't know what they think they're doing. So we've got to work for them, right? Which we always do, because you've got to have that interpretation. This is where we currently are with these showers and thunderstorms. So this is running us right around 3 hours behind of where we should be. So we'll be seeing these showers and storms moving into the heart of Middle Tennessee closer to around 7 this morning. That continues to ease out, and I do look for after lunch a lot of us to be dry. That's going to allow those temperatures that hovered in the same direction for several hours to spike, and they'll head into the upper 80s and 90s. Not a huge spike, but it will make it feel steamy as if we are in the triple-digit mark. We head into the overnight, more showers and thunderstorms will be with us. Get a nice break heading into parts of Saturday, and then Saturday night into Sunday, more showers and thunderstorms. Our severe threat today is a 1 out of 5. Tomorrow, though, it has increased to 2 out of 5. Areas south of I-40. This also includes Saturday night going into parts of early Sunday. So, of course, we'll continue to monitor that hour-by-hour situation for you. Sunday, then it does start to decrease that 1 out of 5 for us. Main concerns, damaging wind gusts. Heavy downpours leading to flash flooding. Again, the tornadic threat is low. It's just not completely no. We do have that flood watch that will be with us through Sunday at 6 o'clock. Next week, though, is going to be a little drier and the humidity not as intense, Eugene. It'll still be noticeable, don't get me wrong, but it's not going to be as steamy as the feel we've got going on now.
All right, I'll take it, Nikki-Dee. Well, thank you for